Hi guys, this is Manshi again, welcoming back to you on my YouTube channel The Style Stunner. So today's video is all about DIY manicure with all the ingredients available at your home, and you can do it easily. Please watch this video till the end so you don't miss any step. So guys, without any further delay, let's get started.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
So guys, this is all for today's video. Hope you like this video and find it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video. And also like, share and comment. Till then, bye bye.